Hey guys, my name is Aaron and we're outdoors doing a rapid review this time of the Loop Experience 2 with the Tomorrowland collaboration. And Tomorrowland is this large-scale dance electronica music festival that goes on primarily in Belgium, but they tour around Europe, and I think next year is in France or something like that. But this is Loop's version with all the colorways that's unique to the collaboration. And if you're new to Loop, by the way, Loop is actually this modern take on the humble, simple earplug, but they take it in a different direction. So what it does is it takes the edge off the usual ear damaging frequencies and noises while still letting you hear the important stuff. So say if you wear these at a concert at Tomorrowland or something like that, you can still hear what's going on, but it nullifies and takes the edge off the sharp stuff, the things that hurt you. So ideally with these on, that should mean less hearing problems down the line. Knowing that you probably have tons of questions still about what is this about and why is this relevant to me. So this really works like a regular earplug, guys. I've taken out one of the earpiece from the carry case and you see the ear tip, which is all like replaceable. They have different sizes like a regular earbud. The ear tip itself seals the ear canal to block out sound. And on top of that, you got this aluminum loop or ring that sits in your concha. And right there at the end of my pointer finger, I'm not sure if you can see that, there's a tiny hole that collects sound or funnels sound into the sound port at the end of the ear tip. And in the case of the Experience 2, which is this model, it basically kills or is able to knock about 17 decibels off the total sound collected by that little funnel right there. So in essence, it operates like a light version of a earplug, almost like a pass-through mode in a earbud or headphone, if you get what I mean. I believe I mentioned this in passing, and I think it's worth mentioning again, is that if you're the kind of person like myself who likes to sing to the songs at a concert, or if you like to chat with your friends concurrently during the show, do know that your voice will be transmitted in your skull or stay in your skull the entire time with these on, just like a regular earplug. So if you cough, you clear your throat or sneeze, you're gonna hear everything. So if you can't stand that, this is probably not for you. But if you don't mind it, this is great because you get to enjoy the show and save your hearing at the same time. This is the whole point of the Loop, that you get to do two things at the same time. One quick word about the look and design. Loop has done really well. I'll give it credit where credit is due. They have all kinds of colors. I'll link the website down below. You should check it out. They have all kinds of colors and designs, and I think they also have children models too, if I remember correctly. But when I first took this out of the box, if you can live with this, again, just ignore what I have to say. My wife can corroborate on this one. When we first saw this out of the box, this thing kind of looks like condoms, number one, and the Loop itself kind of looks like a penis ring, isn't it? I totally got demonetized right there on YouTube. But anyways, yes, once you see it, you can't unsee it, innit? But don't worry, they're not alone in this this summer. I've reviewed some products that I was like, look at this Aerofit from Soundcore. That's a pair of ovaries, and the C30 from Soundcore as well. That looks like something you'll find in your parents' nightstand.